But it has been a great adventure, though. We marveled at Mercury, ventured to Venus, went amazed, swung by Saturn, surveyed Uranus, nipped past Neptune, peered at Pluto, and surrendered to the sun. Oh dear.
Warning, giant plasma collision imminent.
What luck! And an option right below us! We can use the solar sail, then ride the plasma out of here! And be back home in time for tea! Buckle up, set the sails, hold on to your hats! Everyone count down with me!
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go! These eruptions called coronal mass ejections throw billions of tons of charged matter out into the solar system. To evolve. A world we share. This unique, fragile planet Earth. And there you have it.